Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try hearts. You'll need colors. Follow the path of the hearts to help the child reach her kitten. There's the child, and here's her kitten. Where do we see the hearts? I'll use a black marker to help us follow the path. We're looking for all of the hearts, like this one, to this one, to this one, until we get all the way down to the kitty. We did it! That was so much fun working on hearts together. I hope that you'll join me next time for shape patterns.